So the two main things that we run into a lot is the roof hood not being designed for dryers. So this is the one that we recommend. It's called the Dryer Jack roof hood. It's from a company called Innovate, and they make a transition hose that is specifically designed for a dryer as well, where a lot of common companies use transition hoses that are not designed very well for the dryer, so they crush really easy and stuff like that and clog up, where this one doesn't crush as easy and doesn't have the deep ridges in it and better airflow going through it. So this one, the Dryer Jack will fully connect to the pipe and click into the roof hood, so it's fully connected to the pipe and roof hood, so all your airflow and stuff gets out of the roof line instead of onto the decking of the roof or back inside your attic. So highly recommend the Dryer Jack roof hood and the Dryer Flex transition hose.